Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Nissan Altima trunk with a dead battery. First, check for a mechanical key slot, often hidden near the license plate light, and use your physical key to unlock it. If that doesn't work, try accessing the trunk through the rear seats if they fold down. Look for a small lever or strap to release them. This often provides a path to the emergency release. If the mechanical key and rear seat access aren't options, consider jump-starting your Altima. Restoring power to the car will often reactivate the electronic trunk release button, which might be on your dashboard or key fob. Sometimes, there's a small access panel behind the rear seats that leads directly to the trunk latch mechanism. Once inside the trunk, locate the glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle. It's usually a small, T-shaped or loop-shaped handle designed for safety. Give it a firm pull to open the trunk. Always ensure your vehicle is in park with the parking brake engaged before attempting any of these steps for safety. Also, check the latch for any debris. To recap, you can use your mechanical key access through the rear seats, jumpstart the car, or use the internal emergency release. Always keep your battery charged and know your car's features. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Find the link for this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.